Hey guys, it's Husky here, and I am going to spin this very fidget spinner at 3 a.m. and I'm gonna go to sleep right now, but I'm not gonna be able to show you this 3 a.m. because I'm recording on my phone and I don't have any other phone except for this ghetto phone, and it doesn't show the right time. Like right now it's probably 10 o'clock and it's saying it's 11. So my thing gets wrong a lot. So I'm not going to show you what actually time it is. But meet you guys at 3 a.m. Bye. My alarm just went off. Let me go put on my light. There we go. Okay. Now let's go ahead and spin this fidget. Okay, it's 3 a.m. now. Oh my god, I'm moving in the background so I don't get too scared. Okay, we're going to spin this very fidget spinner. Let's go. Oh, it makes weird noise because that. I lost the great part. Nothing's happening. No phone calls. Nothing's happening, guys. That's exactly happening for me. So it's phoned twice. I hope it works this time because everyone says that time's a trauma. Wait, hold on, I got a text message. Hold on a minute, I gotta do my password. Okay, so I got a text message. Guys, look, it says goodnight. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says goodnight. You probably can't see it, but I'm dead serious. It says goodnight. It's just scary. Who's it from? Oh, it's from my sister. Anyway, I hope this really works, because the third time is supposed to be a trauma. Let's go. You got another text message. Hold on, gotta do my password again, and it takes kind of a long time because it's numbers. Okay. Guys, it says don't spin the fidget. Look. It says don't spin the fidget. I'm going to bed. Bye.